Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, welcome to We Learn series of Oxford for kindergarten class. It means that for KG class or for prep class. It has three names, by the way. Okay, dear students, today we are going to talk about page number 1, as you see on the whiteboard. Okay, the topic of this unit is actually talking about yourself. It means that we talk about yourself. For example, you, your name, your family, people around you, and different things about you. Okay, the next thing is that I can talk about these things. There are several things that we can actually talk about. We will discuss that. Who are they? What are they doing? And we will make different sorts of communication about that. The first thing is that past picture or draw them. There is an activity we have to paste pictures or draw these things down in these boxes. The first thing is my family. So you can have a picture of your family standing, your father, mother, brother, sister, and everyone. You can paste it here. After that, you have paste your picture here. If you have your own picture, you can take it and you can paste here with a gum or with a glue or something like that. After that, foods I like to eat. Paste picture of foods or draw foods that you like. For example, you like apple and you draw it here. That depends on you. After that, my school, if you have a picture of your school or if you can draw, you can paste it here if you have a picture. Along with that, things I like to do. What do you like? For example, I like to play cricket. I like to play volleyball. I like to read. I like to, you can do different sorts of activities. You can draw something or you can paste a picture here. So this is your first activity. Activity number 2 is actually there are different people at our family. We're gonna talk about their names. For example, mother, someone who is deemed to be alive. Mother, father, brother, sister, name, class, teacher, play, park, zoo, ice cream, pizza, rice, banana, mangoes. These are some basic vocabulary that you can talk about in initial stage. For example, you say that my name is Ahmad. My sister name is Zunera. My brother name is Mahmoud. My father name is Gul. My mother name is this. You can say different people around you. For example, if you talk about your class, I read in class 1. Teacher, my teacher teaches me English. You can say play. We play cricket at the playground. You can say park. Every Sunday we go to a park and we enjoy the Sunday. That's best. And you can talk about zoo. There are different animals at the zoo. You can talk about mangoes, bananas, rice, pizza, ice cream. These are different things to eat. Like most of the time in this summer season, most of the people likes to eat ice cream. It is season of that. You have to talk about different flavors of ice cream, understand that what are the flavors of ice cream and which ice cream do you like and when did you last eat the ice cream. You can make bulk of communication, bulk of dialect can be made in this scenario. After that, use the pictures and words above to introduce yourselves. You have pictures, you have words. Introduce yourself now. Okay, my name is, you have to write your name. For example, what is your name? If your name is Ahmad, you have to write Ahmad. I am a student. You can say I am a student. I am, you can say different words, what you are. I go to Daesh. Where do you go? You can say that I go to school. Yeah, you can say I go to the Mashal schools. You can say different sentences about. I like to eat apple. I like to eat pomegranate. I like to eat watermelon or whatever you have. You can talk about that. I am happy when. For example, you can say I am happy when it's my birthday because I receive lots of gifts and everyone is celebrating my birthday. We cut a cake. and you can say different sentences about this. Now, this is the classroom activity that you have to write these things and you have to talk about these things to your classmate, or if you're at home you can talk to your sibling, talk about these things, or if you're gonna talk to your mother, or it means that parents, that would be even good, even better to have good communication about these things and pass the day out. Thank you.